What were you saying? Does your arm taste good? Honey? Can you say dad?
Dad.
Can you say mom?
Mom.
How about Momo?
Mama.
Papa?
Papa. Papa.
How about Papa? How about Papa? Where's your nose? Here it is. Where's your ears? Here they are.
Mom. Yeah. Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
Mom. Mama.
Where's your hair? There it is.
Mom.
You want to touch my hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hippo?
Apple. Apple.
What's a monkey say? What's a cat say? What's a dog say? Oh, and picking your nose. Oh dear.